Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox YouTube videos on iPad. First, ensure your iPad supports screen recording by checking your control center settings, which is essential. You will need to enable this feature before opening Roblox and beginning your game session. Recording your gameplay is straightforward. Simply tap the record button in your control center to start and stop. Remember to capture high-quality footage at a good resolution, perhaps 1080 pixels, for the best viewer experience. Once your gameplay is recorded, it is time for editing. Apps like LumaFusion or iMovie offer powerful tools right on your iPad, allowing you to refine your raw footage. Start by trimming unnecessary parts and cutting between different clips to create a smooth flow. Consider adding simple transitions and on-screen text for clarity. Aim for a polished look, ensuring your video tells a cohesive and engaging story for your audience. Sound significantly impacts viewer engagement, so adding a voiceover is a great next step. You can record your commentary directly onto your iPad, explaining your gameplay or sharing insights with your audience. Afterward, layer in some royalty-free background music to set the mood without distracting from your voice. Make sure to adjust all audio levels carefully, keeping your voice clear and the music at a pleasant, lower volume for an optimal listening experience. With your video edited and audio perfected, it is time to export and share your creation. Export your final video in a high-quality format, such as 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second for crisp visuals. Next, upload it to YouTube, adding a compelling title, a detailed description, and relevant tags to help people find your content. Finally, design an attractive custom thumbnail, as this is often the first thing potential viewers will see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.